Alright. That sucks. Okay, the dollar bill receiver isn't working, so I gotta go to another bay. While I'm waiting, I want to give a shout out to another one of our new subscribers. Yeah, Nolan Hastings. I'll leave the link down below for him. He made a video like mine on like the whole Trump ban stuff, and I subscribed to him. He subscribed to us, I should say. If you are a small YouTuber and you comment on my videos saying that you subbed, and that you have a channel, I will give your channel a shout out. As little as I am, as little as 30 subscribers is. I think we're at 30. Last time I checked. Now with Nolan, I think we're at 30. You know, as little as this channel is, I mean, a shout out is a shout out. And you can gain another two or three subscribers, possibly, by me giving you a shout out. Looking pretty good. So I did dry the car out, but it is still a little wet. So we're gonna dry it the old-fashioned way. They dry the old-fashioned way. See you, Meg. I gotta check my schedule and get bacon. That was surprisingly very easy, and I'm working 2 days next week. So I'm kind of pissed about the car wash. I mean, it's kind of my fault because I didn't wipe down the car enough, but it does look like soap, and it's not soap. I know it's not soap because I rinsed off all the soap. What happened was I didn't dry it enough, and I drove it on these white roads that we have here in Jersey after it snows. Basically, they put an insane amount of salt on the roads, and because of it, all the cars look shit, even after washing them. So I spent $10, and my car looks decently better, I guess, but now it has salt in places that it didn't before. So I think all it needs is a good rinse again and dried. Didn't come out that well, so I'm trying again. As a minimum deposit of $4. So I'm gonna see how it works. I tried drying it to the best of my abilities, but you can kind of see it's kind of still wet. I mean, in my opinion, I've been to car washes where they have like 3 or 4 guys drying your car, and it's come out more wet than this. So I think it's dry enough, and I think that if I chose the spot for finish, it should prevent spots. I also chose clear coat, so I really don't know. So I've proven to myself that it takes $14 to wash my car instead of $10. I would have finished my car in a better way if it wasn't so cold. Like literally, it's really cold. That like, look at that. I can't see that mirror. It is so cold. It's 25 degrees, and here I am putting water in my car. Stop it, Lucky.
Dale.
I just said hello when I walked in. Oh my god.
Forgot my actual glasses in the car, so I'm just gonna do a brief throwback. Oh my god, these are so much darker than my other ones. Anyway, this is the first vlog after announcing that I'm gonna start doing daily. I'm not gonna cancel the whole doing daily thing, but like, kind of sucks because like today I had a really late start, and yeah, this is a very short vlog. I haven't actually started editing yet, but I can actually kind of tell it's a short vlog. Not really worthy of being the first vlog of many vlogs to be daily vlogs. Videos titled, I washed my car twice, because honestly, that's all I did today. I feel utterly useless. I'm kind of having, not second thoughts of daily vlogging, just kind of second thoughts of starting this whole daily vlog venture on the day I did. No, don't get me wrong, I'm not going to just say, oh, I'll see you next week because I messed up. I'm going to continue this daily vlogging stuff as much as I can. Weekends are the worst for vlogging for me, as proven by the last 2 weekends. It's just, it's the vlogs turn into like a music video. That's my goal for this weekend, is to turn the vlogs from a music video to actual vlogs. It's a crazy idea, but it should work out. The problem with weekends is like my mom and dad and sis, we're all having like conversations about our private lives aside from this vlog, and that doesn't belong in the vlog. And so what I do is I mute the conversations, and I just get a bunch of artsy footage of highways and sunsets and drone footage and walking footage. That's totally unacceptable, I know. You guys deserve more. So that's my goal for this weekend. Yeah, tomorrow, I don't know what we're going to be doing. Sunday is the Super Bowl. Don't know what we're going to be doing. Monday I have work, and Tuesday I have work. So for the next 4 days, it's going to be very challenging for me to actually get videos out. So bear with me, and yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're stopping in for the first time. That's really it.